Oh my god, that is a stupid glitch. I do not, that's not my main animal. I ain't a freaking pink naked bunny. Boy, what are you doing on top of my shoebox? I think my bunny caught me off guard. I got a frickin' Discord. Y'all go follow me. I love to talk to y'all. And go click that subscribe button. It is completely free, or I'll delete your Animal Jam account. Enjoy! Yo, what is up, my mini Mario mustaches? It is Commander back with another video, and I am back with another master block video. And today, I am going to be making a diamond sword from Minecraft. And you may be asking me, well, why? Well, here's a little story for y'all. I was walking in the midst of Minecraft until I found some diamonds. Unfortunately, I didn't find 3, so I couldn't make a diamond pickaxe. And there were mobs chasing me. And so I thought, might as well make a diamond sword. And as soon as I made the diamond sword, an idea sparked in my mind, and I was like, I should make a master block of this. So here I am, and today I'll be showing you how to make it. So let's get started. So you first make a 3x3 square with an aqua color. Not necessarily a light aqua color, but like close to the dark side. And then you get the lighter version of the dark aqua color and place the 1 block in the middle. Next, you break off the upper left-hand corner and you add the color brown. And next, add a lighter shade around the brown right here. Next, you make a brown line of 3 and you surround it with the lighter shade of brown. Next, you get the same aqua color and you make the sword frame. In other words, you build outwards while actually the edges of the master block is touching the other edge of the master block. Yeah, I am really good at describing things. Next, go to the left corner and add 2 of the lighter shade of the aqua. And when you go to the right, only add 1 of the lighter shade up at the right upper hand corner. Next, get the original color of the diamond sword and place it down in the leftover little spots. Next, you build up 7 blocks with the dark aqua color. Next, you build 2 blocks across, then you build 2 blocks down, and you copy the other side of the frame and just go all the way down to the handle. Next, you get the darker shade of the original diamond sword color and you make a straight line down the sword. Now don't mind the drastic color change I made, I know. And the final part is to take the original diamond sword color and fill in the rest of the gaps, and then it is done. What do you think, guys? Pretty cool, right? I think it is amazing, and I worked really hard on it, and I think this is one of my favorite builds. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you want me to make a specific master block, please comment a suggestion down below and I'll be happy to make it if I agree with the idea. And I guess that is it. Goodbye, peeps.